What's up, guys? We're gonna be installing some blow-off valves I just got from VRP or VPR, whatever you call it. You just gotta take these two hoses off, add the adapters in, and seal these with the tubes. But it's should be pretty simple, but you know, things that are simple sometimes take the longest. So we'll see how it goes. But first, we're going to start off with unhooking these two right here. Okay, so I got these two off. And I like to take these two off because first because it'll give you some room with the hose to move and get the other screw out. Also, I watched a video about this, and they put a towel saying, you know, in case you drop your screws, this will catch it. So putting a rag there might help. But yeah, now you see these. There's one on each side. There's a total of 4. You got to take those off. All right. Okay, just a heads up. You might want to take these out. Also, this piece right here out. It's pretty easy. You just got to reach under. There's a little clip right here. Hold that, and then you yank it, the rest. Just so it gives you more leverage. This is how it should look like. Just a little tip for somebody. If they have the 19, you might have to unplug this that's connected around there because it does interfere with taking this one out. So just slightly take it off. Sometimes I had mine zip tied for some reason. I don't know if it's a mechanic did that or something, but I cut the zip tie. All right, so I'm gonna put these in here. And I'm gonna install these right there. Just like that.